Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at a speech recognition example inside React.js where we'll be converting our own voice through microphone into text and we'll be showing it in the text area. We'll be having a React specific library for this React speech recognition library on your screen. You can see the demo of the screen. We have four buttons. Start listening. If you click this button, you need to grant the permission for the microphone. So now you can see whatever I'm speaking right here through my microphone is it capturing and it is displaying it in the text area, and it's automatically being written in the text area. So this is actually in the whole, it's a speech to text application. So once you stop, automatically it will be stopped and you can copy this text to clipboard. Again, if you want to listen, you can simply click this button and then whatever you're speaking, it will be captured. So you can see it's a very awesome application. So whatever I'm speaking in the microphone, it is capturing in this speech to text application. So in this way, you can make this. I will show you step by step in this video how to make this application in the browser using React.js. So you can see the status here. It is showing not listening. If I click start listening, it will change to listening. So in this way. So the module is, if you go to npmjs.com, it is React Speech Recognition. This is actually the name of the module here. Almost 35,000 weekly downloads are there. So this is actually the command here, npmi React Speech Recognition. So simply go to your command line and just install this module. I have already installed it. So what I will do, I will start the development server. So now just create a simple app level component. So I will show you step by step. So first of all, we need to include the actual package at using the import statement. So import speech recognition from React speech recognition. This is actually your module. And also there is one other hook that we need to import, which is use speech recognition. This is actually a React hook which is available from this library. And now we need to actually import some methods using this package. So using this hook that is provided by this library, use speech recognition. And from these we have three methods or four methods. First is a transcript. Transcript is whatever that you speak, it is captured using a text. And then we have the status here, listening. Whether you are speaking or not, it will be captured in this variable. The third variable is reset transcript. So this simply means that if you want to delete everything that you spoken, you can click this button and then it will reset this. And lastly, we have the browser support speaker recognition. So it will be true or false either depending upon your browser whether it supports speech recognition or not. So we have these four methods. Now we will simply check here using this if condition that if your browser supports speak recognition or not using this boolean variable. So if it doesn't support, then we will simply return a simple paragraph showing to the user that your browser does not support speech recognition. Very simple message. And now coming back to the JSX, inside this we will actually have a div. So here we'll be giving a style attribute, will be changing the font family to Arial, and we'll be aligning this in the center position, and we'll be giving a margin from the top which is 50 pixels. So these three custom styles, and then inside this we will have an actual heading which will say React speech recognition example, and inside your div we will show actually the status here whether you are speaking or not. So this status will be coming from that listening variable that we imported. So depending upon whether you are speaking, we will change the status using this ternary operator. So if you refresh your browser, just go to, you will see the status will not be not listening because we are not speaking. We do need to get a button here to let the user grant the permission to the microphone. So after this paragraph, we will have the button here, which will be start listening. The second button will be to stop listening. And the third button will be for reset transcript. So we have these three buttons. So if you just see, you will have these three buttons. Now we just need to bind an on click listener to each of these buttons. So when we click the start listening button, we will execute this method speech recognition, and it contains this method start listening. So it has this property here, start listening. And when you click this button, again we have a built-in method inside this library, which is speech recognition, and it contains this method stop listening. And lastly, we have this reset transcript. We have the property reset transcript. So we have just binded all three methods on these buttons. So now if you open your application, click on this button. So now I'm speaking, it is capturing it, but we do need to show the text as well in the text area. So right after this div, we will actually have a text area where we can display the text which has been spoken by the user. So in this we will give it a margin of 20 pixel, and inside this we will have an h2 heading which will say transcript, and after this we will actually have a paragraph. Inside this we will display the transcript like this, inside curly bracket transcript, or say something. So if you refresh your browser, you will see now we have the button here. If I click the button, you will see whatever I'm speaking, it is being captured and it has been displayed in the text area. So in this way, you can make a speech to text kind of an application inside React.js. So using your microphone, you can capture anything. So in this way, all the source code will be given in the description of this video. So we have these text speech to text application in React.js. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.